All right, today we're going to be testing our water hardness with these Verify water hardness test strips. We're going to be installing a water softener later, as we'll do a before and after. All right, so the instructions say to dip it in the water for 2 seconds and then gently shake off the excess water. 1, 2. And we'll wait 30 seconds. And then once it's been 30 seconds, you want to run it up against this. On the side of the bottle they have that shows the different colors going from soft to hard. And then you just want to match it up. So for us, I think we're right here on the 7 GPG or ppm 120. It says if you're in between a color, to just kind of guesstimate in the middle there. So that's it before, and then we'll go ahead and do a test for after. It does say to estimate the results within 30 seconds. And then obviously you want to store these in a cool, dry place. Make sure they don't get wet in between uses. All right, so we've got the water softener installed. So I filled this up just here after we've got it installed. 1, 2. We'll wait 30 seconds. And here's after 30 seconds, you can tell the water is completely soft. Before we were over here between 7 and 15. Now it looks like we're darker than even 0, so softener's doing its job.